Which rock lights for your truck are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, we're breaking down 5 fantastic choices that will light up your ride in style. Product number 1, Eli Rock Lights. First up, we have the Eli Rock Lights, priced at $37.59. This kit comes with 8 RGB LED pods and caught my attention because of its unique brake warning feature. If you want vibrant colors and a safety boost, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brake warning function makes all lights turn red when you hit the brakes, helping to alert drivers behind you. With 15 high brightness, 5000 and 50 multicolor LEDs per pod, you get a dazzling display that can dance to your music with its app integration. Plus, with an IP68 waterproof rating, you can take these lights on any off-road adventure without worrying about damage. Now, some people have complained about the app connection being a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, once you get it connected, the customization options are pretty fantastic. So if you're not tech savvy, this could be a slight hurdle, but it's definitely manageable. This is perfect for you if you love changing your truck's look and enjoy some music while driving. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional lighting solution without additional features. At this price point, you really get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the app connection issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Uneeda White Rock Lights. Next, let's talk about the Uneeda 12 Pods White Rock Lights. At $38.99, these lights are all about delivering pure white brightness. If you're in the market for visibility and simplicity, this is worth a serious look. Why is this important for you? The 6000K brightness ensures that you can see clearly at night, which is crucial for safety when you're off-roading or driving in poor conditions. With IP68 waterproofing, these lights are built to withstand the elements, making them reliable no matter the weather. Plus, the installation is straightforward, no complicated tools required, which is a big plus for many DIY enthusiasts. However, some users found a control switch and wiring harness not included, which could be a hassle for some. But honestly, if you're comfortable with basic wiring, it's a small trade-off for a solid product. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, bright lighting without the frills. Skip this one if you're looking for color-changing options. Given the quality, it's a solid choice for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little color in their life. Product number 3, Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights. Now, let's check out the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights kit, which retails for $45.99. This one grabbed my attention because of its excellent reviews and solid build quality. If you want style and durability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The phone app control lets you customize your lighting experience, which is perfect for setting the mood during your nighttime adventures. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours and waterproof, shockproof features, you can count on these lights to last. Plus, the 500 lumens brightness means you'll have no trouble seeing where you're going. However, a few users mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. I understand the frustration, but once you get everything connected, the final product is impressive and well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you love personalized lighting effects and want something that will stand the test of time. Skip this one if you're after a straightforward white light solution. For the price, you're getting great functionality and style. Now, if you want even more pods and features, stick around because the next product UPS the ante. Product number 4, TD Explorer Rock Lights. Coming in at $48.99, the TD Explorer Rock Lights bring a lot to the table. With 8 pods, these RGB lights not only enhance your truck's appearance, but also improve visibility. If you're seeking a multifunctional lighting kit, this is worth a serious look. Why is this important? With 160 SMD LEDs in multiple color options, you can create the perfect ambience for any situation. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures they can handle rough terrains and harsh weather. Plus, the Smart Brake effect is a fantastic safety feature, turning all lights red when you brake, making you more visible to others. Now, some folks pointed out that the remote range could be limited which can be a bit annoying. But honestly, if you're in your truck, you're usually within range anyway, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want a cool look with added safety features. Skip this one if you're looking for a more basic lighting setup. At this price, you get a multi-functional kit that really shines. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which offers an impressive number of pods for those who want maximum brightness. Product number 5, Hovano 20 Pods White Rock Lights. Finally, we have the Hovano 20 Pods White Rock Lights at $62.99. If you want serious brightness, this is worth a serious look. With 6000 K pure white lights and a massive 720 LEDs, it's all about visibility. Why does this matter? The high brightness means you can navigate safely in the darkest conditions, perfect for off-roading adventures. The flexible installation options allow you to customize how you set them up, whether you prefer drilling or using double-sided tape. And with an IP68 rating, these lights can handle just about anything nature throws at them. However, some users mention that the price is a bit higher compared to others with fewer pods. But look, if visibility and safety are your top priorities, the investment is worth it. More pods mean more light, which is crucial when you're driving off the beaten path. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and brightness over everything else. Skip this one if you want a colorful lighting option instead of pure white. For the quality you're getting, it's a solid investment for any truck owner. So there you have it. From the vibrant Elia rock lights to the super bright Hovano 20 pods, each option has its strengths. Whether you want color, simplicity, or maximum brightness, there's a perfect match for your truck. Happy lighting!